Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Good morning, everyone. So this is me waking up early in the morning to cook. Yeah, I'm gonna cook here for. I'm just going to reheat. Mag-init lang pa ng ulam. So the chubby mom, we're going to. So as can you see, nagsaing na ako. Nagpasin, apoy na tayo. Apoy na ako. Tapos, ako ba kayo ilagay ba? Apoy tayo guys kasi ito lang. Apoy din yan. I-wait lang natin. I-wait lang natin siya. Apoy. Apoy na yan siya. Pag umapoy na yan, lalagay ko na yung iinitin ko lang yung niluto ko kagabing sabaw. Yeah. Sabaw. Sobrang liwanag. So, ayan. Aapoy na yan siya. Hopefully. Lalagay ko na siya. Sana umapoy na siya. Kasi kukunin ko pa yung kape ko. At ako ay magkakape. Yes, pagkakape tayo. Dahil hindi ako kakain ng almusal. Yeah. I'm not going to eat. I'm just going to drink a black coffee. Because I wanna lose weight. So I'm planning to eat only 2 times a day. And sometimes I'm gonna eat 1 times a day. Hopefully to get lose weight. So come on, let's go inside the house. So I'm gonna get cup of hot water. So yeah, let's go. Tugtog ha. Walang ako ng aking kape. Here is my room. Let's close the ilaw. And here open. And I'm going to get a baso. And let's go back outside. Let's go back outside. Ay! Pakilagyan ako ng init. Guys, palagay tayo na mainit na tubig. Sige pa. Okay. I have now hot water. Ay! Super init! Okay. And we're walking. You see? It's may apoy na siya. And then we're gonna sit. I'm sitting down here while waiting for my cooking. And here is the coffee. And this is the coffee. This is black coffee. Ouch! Mix, mix, mix. And then, while I'm waiting, suklay mo here. Yun lang. Ay! Muntik na matapon sa akin yung kape ko, Marikes. Matapon yung kape ko. Matapon yung kape ko. Ang clumsy ko. Dahil sa pagsusuklay ng hair. Muntik na matapon ang aking kape. It's okay. Madami pa rin naman siya. Super init niya pa guys. Lumalabas pa yung mga uso. Kasi kakaano lang na ito guys. Kakakulo. So, this is how I expend my morning. Suklay. So it's so early in the morning. It's 7 a.m. and I woke up early. This time I woke up early. And let me check if this one is ready. So they can eat. Okay, they can eat na. Lang guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.